Thank you for joining us for this room. My name is Nicole.
And I'm your girl, Astrid.
And today, guys, we are going to be reviewing the Violet Voss Vibes palette.
Right here, this is a pressed pigment palette with 10 shades, and it retails for about $30. And as soon as we saw this at Sephora, we just knew we had to have it.
Absolutely.
This is like bright all over the place, and it's very 90s theme. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. I can already see the back of it, so the colors are really cute, the way that they named them. And of course the packaging. This is what it looks like. Very bright and in your face. And then when you open it up, of course, it's magnetic. Has that mirror right there. And then the colors, of course, are really high and pigmented right there. Just to give y'all an idea, like the colors are like fanny pack, leg warmers, aerobics, acid wash, and biker shorts.
Very 1989.
This is very cute. So I'm excited to get into this and just kind of play around and see what looks we'll come up with.
I know. I really thought, I said, what can I do? What can I do? What can I do?
Not a rainbow look.
Not a rainbow, but what can I do? Because all day I was like, rainbow? No, not rainbow.
Not rainbow.
But all the colors, yes, but not rainbow. So,
and we haven't talked about what we're doing, so this will be interesting to kind of see your take and my take. So, do you know which color you'll be picking up first?
Yeah.
Oh, but you know, before we go into that, we always forget this part, but our faces are already, of course, prepped. So we have foundation and primer and concealer, all that stuff. And I have actually MAC Paint Really Pink Pot on my eyelids right now.
I haven't done any primer on my lips.
You haven't?
Yet,
okay,
so,
cool.
Yeah. I'll do that really quickly.
I think I'm actually gonna go in with Jellies, which is like this super dark blue pigmented color right there. Okay, and I'm gonna take just a normal shader brush. Of course, this is my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, so y'all already know that's where it's at. And I'm actually gonna use the LA Girl Pro Primer High Definition Eyeshadow Primer, and this is kind of like a white base, but it comes as a similar to like a crayon eyeshadow stick type of thing. I'm just gonna put that right on the eyelid.
I have Eventually Paint Primer. I'm gonna be using a combination of this along with the Makeup Revolution cut crease. Yes, because I know the shape I'm making, and but I need to get the base down colors first.
All right, Tana, do you know what color you're picking up first?
Yeah, so I'm actually gonna go in with Leg Warmers, which is the brightest orange in the bunch. That's this right here. Right there. And so I'm starting at, that's gonna be the middle of my lid.
Okay.
And we'll just see what happens here, folks. Because I swatched this in the store, but I've not actually played in it yet.
This brand is I feel like we've passed it so many times. You know those brands that like you see the new releases and you're like, oh, that's cute, but you don't actually like intend to buy it because when you go to Sephora, of course, you already kind of have an idea of what you're gonna get.
Right.
And I think at one point we were just like, let's just give it a try. Like, let's see what this new brand's all about. And it was popping. The first palette we got from them was the Best Life palette. And that was like,
actually, you like that so much, I didn't see it. It left the studio and got legs and set up shop at her house. So, you know.
I don't recall this accusation.
So I am going to go in next with Fanny Pack, which is this. It looks kind of red on camera, but it looks kind of peachy.
That's very much like a
pinkish. I don't know. We're gonna see what it looks like.
You said Fanny Pack, right?
Fanny Pack, yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm actually still, guys, going in with Jellies because I want to bring it like the outer corner of my eye, that outer V, and then also want to bring it into the inner corner. I'm super excited to do this eyeshadow palette review, but just looking around right now, like looking at everything that we have on our table, like I'm so excited to pretty soon show you guys like our studio.
Yeah, when we say
tour.
Studio, you know what we're talking about. Yeah,
it's insane. Like just, I don't know.
I think we're just very lucky to have a space to do this.
Very blessed, yeah.
Because that's not where we started.
No.
That's not where we started.
That is not where we started. While she's putting on her beautiful color, I'm gonna go in with this like light blue color. It's called Acid Wash, which I think is hilarious. And I'm going in with a different e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, but it's pretty much the same one as the other one. And we're gonna hit that into the middle of our lid.
I am going to be putting now Neon, so it's just, that's the name of it, Neon, which is this incredibly bright yellow right there, Neon. And I'm going to be putting that to finish out this corner of my eye.
Okay guys, so now that I have kind of those two colors together, I'm gonna go in with the color Radical, which is a really vibrant purple color right there. I hope that camera can pick it up. And I'm gonna go right above that blue that I laid down first, kind of just to create like some depth of my crease, because I don't want to just leave it like blue, because I have a plan for my underneath my eye.
Ooh, she got plans, y'all.
Yeah, girl. My lower lash line gonna be popping. Yeah.
So I'm actually gonna carve out, I've gotten the base down of the colors that I want here. I'm going to carve out this half moon shape.
Okay.
With the white base that I have, and then I'll be marrying other colors on that white base.
Okay guys, so while Tanaj is over there carving away, I'm gonna go in with the color Aerobics, which is a really beautiful neon green. I'm gonna take that right above that jelly color, which is that deep blue. And I'm gonna create some dimension there. You know, this bright palette reminds me of like the fact that summer is about to leave and
I know.
fall is here. Like I feel it when I step outside. It's like, oh, it's a different sensation.
Yes, it is. It's welcoming.
And you know what that brings me to? It's time for fall fashion, y'all. Fall fashion, fall makeup, fashion. It's coming.
Yes, and we actually have a fall trip. Yeah. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell nobody.
I'm so excited for that. Like legit, it's two of my favorite things, which is travel and then shopping. So
yes, because I mean, quite honestly, this is something that. Because people always go, oh my gosh, where'd you get blah, 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 blah from?
Yeah.
And this is a fantastic feeling saying, oh, it's nothing here. It's nothing from here. And so you guys will get to see one of those trips that I do. Yeah, and that way I am. But no, you guys will get to see, this is what I do all the time. I do it at least twice a year.
Just fly to a different state.
Literally, and mail my clothes home. I do that.
I'm gonna go in right above that green with some yellow, and I'm gonna take this color, which is actually called Neon. It's really beautiful. I just love like popping colors. Shout out to Violet Voss for doing this palette.
I know. Alright guys, so you see I've made this kind of, I don't know what kind of shape this is, but I've made this shape and
Tanaj shape.
Yeah, and I'm going to use that jellies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the jellies right there
that
to
dark
be,
blue one.
Oh, I'm sorry. So you guys can see what we're talking about here. That jellies color. I'm going to use that as the baseline here.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to warm it up eventually with that other blue on top.
The acid wash.
The acid wash, yes.
Okay. And I'm actually, you guys, going to put some color on my lower lash line, and I'm going to use acid wash again. I love the fact that they put two blues in here.
Right.
I'm having a blue moment.
This is like, this is a fantastic formula. I know we'll get to that part, but
in ahead of yourself there tonight.
I know. cool this freaking
Let me
is.
see.
Oh, I love that too!
We film like so far away sometimes that we're just like doing our own thing, and then we turn and we're like,
oh my god, that glitter is so cool.
I told you it's popping, bro. It's popping.
Okay, alright, I got my bare bones down.
You got it? Okay. Yeah, so I'm excited to see what this will all come together.
I know.
So give us a minute, y'all. I'm just gonna go ahead and snap us into it, and then we'll come back and show you what it looks like as a finished look.
Yes.
Alright, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alright, you guys, so clearly we're really giddy about this look. I think it turned out wonderful for both of us. I like how you took a different avenue than I did. Yeah, yours looks really awesome. It looks like a painting. Like, honestly, it looks like one of your paintings. It's really beautiful. And the lines are really nice and crisp. So.
Thank you. But you have totally embraced the power of color. The power of it.
Thank you.
Yeah, no, and I'm really proud of you because I know it can be really scary.
It is really scary, but this palette was actually really great to do this with. I had high hopes, and it definitely lived up to it. So again, we are reviewing the Violet Voss Bright Vibes, and this is the Neon Pressed Pigments. It's a total of 10 shades that you get in here for about $30. And I'm just gonna open it up one more time. That's a pretty little packaging. Get the inside, you get a nice little mirror. And of course you get your little colors right there. And then if you need the names, they're actually on the back right here. Has really funky names like 90s names, fanny pack, like warmers.
Boom. What does that say? Boom
box.
Yeah,
it's
all
so
that stuff.
cute.
Really cute.
I love it. So that is the skinny on it. Of course, the first thing that you get with this, the impact, is the packaging itself.
I appreciate that these are the actual colors in the palette. You can make make this look with this palette. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Oh, that's a good point. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, it's very vibrant and definitely appeals to those that love color. It can also appeal to the younger generation, I feel like.
Yes.
It also has a really cool like magnetic strip to it, so it closes automatically. Then of course, I think the biggest thing with me, I love the fact that they did bigger pan sizes on this. Yeah. So you get more bang for your buck too. Yeah, like the pan sizes are a lot bigger than like ABH, for example, or even like NYX for a drugstore brand.
Yeah, think like what you would give, you would buy a single size shadow, like a single shadow. Yeah. That's the size of that.
The size of that. It's great because it's 10. You know, it's $30, so each one is about $3.
Yes.
So the color story on this, I always like to give it over to you, but
yeah, the thing that I really appreciate about this, a lot of times when we're talking about color story, that means you work in either threes or quadrants, 3 across, or you can make 4s and make the color. But this was done so well that you can take any 2 or any 3 and make it work. I mean, like, I jumped all over this palette and still made a really cohesive look. So.
Yeah, I jumped around. I didn't even stick to the quadrants or to the row.
Yeah, so this is, I mean, this is really well done.
So that, it was a skinny on that. And we do hope that you guys enjoyed these different looks that we created for you today. If you did, just make sure you give a like to this video like always, and subscribe to our channel. If you're new to us, welcome. Join the Real family and hit that notification bell so you can have all of our future videos in your feed.
Yes, and also go to our social medias, particularly Instagram. That's where we hang out the most. That's at Rumor Mill, RUMORMEAL. And also we have our lookbook coming up. That's itsrumormill.com. That link is going to be in the description, along with where you can buy the Violet Voss palette and just all the details of the looks that we gave today.
Awesome. Yeah, so on that note, we did get this at Sephora, just to give you a little recap. But if you're interested, it's always, you can go to your local Sephora, also buy it online at the Violet Voss website, and also Sephora.com. So that sums up today's video. Like I said, we hope you enjoyed it, and I guess we'll see you guys on the next one.
Yeah.
Bye.